In this video, we're diving into Wave versus Bonsai, which offers more customizable invoicing. If you've been wondering which tool can better handle your invoicing needs, stay tuned. I'll break down the features, pros, cons, and finally, share what I think is the best option for your business. Stick around till the end for a recommendation you won't want to miss. First up, let's talk about Wave. It's free to use, and for many small business owners and freelancers, this is a huge selling point. Wave gives you a solid set of invoicing tools right out of the gate. You can create and customize your invoices with your logo, choose from various templates, and even add line items with specific details. Pretty standard stuff. The kicker here is its simplicity. Wave's interface is clean, intuitive, and geared towards people who don't want to waste time learning complicated features. But it does come with limitations. For example, while it offers customizable fields, it doesn't allow deep customization of the invoice design itself. So, if you're looking to make your invoices stand out in a very specific way, you might find Wave lacking. Next thing to consider is Bonsai. Bonsai is a powerful platform for freelancers and small businesses, especially if you need a more tailored solution. It allows you to create invoices that not only look good, but can be customized to a high degree. You can add your logo, change colors, and adjust the fonts to suit your branding. Bonsai also offers things like automated late fees, recurring billing, and the ability to set up different tax rates for various clients. It's more robust than Wave in these areas. However, it's not entirely free like Wave. There's a paid plan, which could be a turnoff for some. The third thing is that Wave shines with its integration with accounting features. You get invoicing, accounting, and receipt scanning all in one package. However, if invoicing is your primary focus, you might feel that Wave is a bit too basic for more complex business needs. It's great for a freelancer starting out or a very small operation, but businesses with more advanced needs could struggle to get everything they want out of it. The fourth thing with Bonsai is its ability to automate workflows. This is a major plus. You can create workflows where, once an invoice is sent, the system will automatically follow up with clients if they don't pay within the set timeframe. Plus, it offers contract management, which is an excellent addition for those needing both invoicing and legal agreements in one platform. However, this convenience comes at a price. Bonsai's pricing can be a barrier if you're on a budget, and there are certain features that only come with the higher tier plans. Now, if you're looking for something that combines the best of both worlds, advanced invoicing capabilities without the price tag of Bonsai, I've got something to share with you. Both Wave and Bonsai offer solid features, but after trying all of them, I found that there's a better alternative that strikes the perfect balance. This alternative offers advanced customization, easy-to-use tools, and much more for your invoicing needs. So, here's the deal. While Wave and Bonsai are good options, if you want more customization and features without the extra cost, I recommend checking out the link in the description. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on this.